There's a lot of Filipino there. Very known, you know. Yeah, because there's Filipina husband foreigner, you know. There's a lot of Filipina husband foreigner. This is fun lying in bed chatting with people lying in bed. Yeah, I'm going bed soon. Anyway, I'm not feeling well. I have cough, I have fever. But as what I said, as what I said, I love my viewers, I love my subscriber. So I need to talk with you guys. Um I need to spend little time to talk with you guys. So because I love my subscriber. So heartily heartily to say thank you. Um Always joining my live stream. For the new viewers like you, Krista Ditzman, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Francisco Henosuza, hello, Sir Francisco. How are you? Anyway, Christina Ditzman, how's your life there? I'm sure you have a good life there, right? And you have a good work. For those who want to support my channel, guys, feel free to be my members. Feel free to click the join button over at the join button, and then I have um, affordable price there. Um, 99 cents centavo only for month. So for those willing to support my channel, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new here. Excuse me, guys. Oh, there's a rain. It's raining. Wow, I fell asleep na, guys. I fell sleepy.